Sir, being a neutral person, I want to tell this one. Everybody talks gas cylinder price is up. And I understand the difficulties of our petroleum minister. We never started the war. We never asked for the gas. We never asked for the petrol price rise. It is whole world is affected. It is not only India. So we should be considerate about that, why the price has gone up. If the pipelines are damaged in Iran, we cannot repair it. Please understand, none of you here, I think in this August gathering, have not seen 1962 war, where I was a 10 or 12 years old girl. We have undergone what a war means, what sacrifice has to be made in the war, and you have to adjust. So I request everyone to understand the situation. It is not we started this, someone started, the whole world suffers. Sir, in the second installment, it is 2.81 lakhs crores of rupees the demand. Out of that, 80,000 or 0.80 lakhs money will be either by recovery or saving of the other ministry. So ultimately, we are going to raise almost approximately 2.8 crore lakhs rupees. Running a budget is like running a house. Being a housewife, I know the importance of rainy days, which I exercised in my own life, where I saved money without anybody's knowledge, and it helped and changed my life. Similarly,